In order to replace my van, I need to find a 2020 or newer Ford Beyond EcoBurst with lithium. I can't find one. I find some older ones than that. I find a couple that are 2020s, but they don't have lithium. I can't find one. So, do you know anybody who might have one for sale? It's got to be a 2020 Ford Coachman Beyond with a 350 Eco Boost and no rear bathrooms. Because if I can't find anything, they're just going to have to buy me a new one. And it'll still probably take weeks to get that because they sell them faster than they can bring them off the lift. So that was just a moment of frustration.